Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing today an unboxing of the March GlitzGlambox. Okay, can we get into this? Can we get into these major alphabet vibes like Off Wicked, you know, the Wicked Witch? She's not that wicked if you see the play. So I just filmed this tutorial on this look using everything in the box. So I wanted to do green because like it matches the box. It's March, hello, St. Patrick's Day. So yeah, so that was the look I was going for. But guys, first, you know what to do. There's a button down there. You want to press it. You want to press it and subscribe. Guys, okay, I realized in all my unboxings, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm the CEO of GlitzGlambox. I made this box, I created it with my sisters, and we created it because we wanted a beauty box that was like legit all makeup for ultra glam lovers, not like the basics, the nudes, not all that. No, we wanted like full on glam. So that's why we created GlitzGlambox. So yeah, so let's get into what's in the box. It's $15 a month. You can do a month-to-month subscription or you can prepay. So yeah, so let's get into it. First thing we have is there's two different variations of lashes. There's a lot of variations this month because we wanted to offer a lot of variety. So yeah, so there are two variations. There are of the Milante lashes. Now every box includes lashes and glitter, or a glitter product. So this month we used Milante lashes again, and these are in the style chic. And these are the ones that I'm wearing from the tutorial. So you can see they're very I like them because they were pointy and they kind of had the gaps in between. So to me, I feel like you can see the eyeshadow more when you have the gaps in between. So they still have a little drama, just a little bit, but they're very natural looking. And these are the other style, Jealous, and it's like, are you jealous of me? I just love the name. And these were a little more natural because these are darker. These are a little lighter. So if you have like lighter colored hair, this would be good for you. So yeah, that is the first thing. Next thing we got was, this is our GlitzGlambox Glitz glitter liner. And this is in the shade Genie. And if you can see, it's a black liner with gold glitter. I did use this one in my waterline for the tutorial, so that's why it looks like this. It's like, it looks a little ran through. But I'm gonna show you guys. This is so like dark and glittery. I like love it. Like I'm the queen of black eyeshadow and black liner. I just love it. So it's like very glittery. If you can see, it's very like gold glittery. Oh, I'm trying to see if I can get it focused. Are we focused? There we go. So yeah, there we go. We can see it. And we do have we have other shades coming out. We have a silver shade. But yeah, we wanted to use the gold this month because like pot of gold, St. Patrick's Day. So yeah, so we put this in the box so everyone can try it out. It is full size. If you can see, it's huge. And this retails for $12 on our site. But yeah, you're getting it in the box. Here's a NYX liner. And here's ours. So it's like literally double the size of the NYX one. So you can see like, you know, how big it is, basically. So yeah, so it's like almost double the size of the NYX one. So yeah, just so you know, it's like very big. So yeah, so that retails for $12. Now, next we included also a Glitz glitter shot. So this is also from GlitzGlambox, and it is a little shot vial, which we thought were so cute for St. Patrick's Day. I'm trying to get it off. Okay, so I'm going to show you. This is this shade here. And it's like a kind of minty kind of green, if you can see. And I did put it on my lids up here. So yeah, so I think that was really, really cute as an add-in for March. And we have some green shades, we have gold shade, like we have green, we have gold, we have a white shade, like a white gold shade. So yeah, so these are very, very cute. And they hold a lot of product. Trust me, because we filled them up. So they hold a lot of product. I posted these on Instagram and our Instagram started blowing up. So yeah, these are the palettes, the featured palettes. So you get one palette and the rest of the items that were mentioned. You get one palette, you get a lash, and you get a liner and a glitter. We'll start with this one because this is the one I did the tutorial on and created this look. And this is the Rio de Janeiro palette. Now the theme was glam all over the world. And basically it's because all of these palettes are themed by location. So this one is Rio de Janeiro, and it has like the green and the gold, and of course I love a matte black, so this one was my personal favorite, just because I love the matte black. But yeah, so let me know what yours is, what your favorite is. Next up is London, which is purple. It's so cute. And this one actually is becoming a fan favorite. A lot of subscribers were requesting this one. So this one's all shimmers, and you can see it's so pretty with the purple and just this maroon. I just love it. I love this like kind of white iridescent purple here. I think that is so cute, especially for spring coming up. Hint, hint, get a GlitzGlambox. Next we have Tokyo. And I honestly, this is my second favorite one because it has a lot of mattes in it. And for some reason, I'm so into mattes now. So yeah, so this is like very warm toned kind of palette. A lot of people like this one because they want warm tones. This purple is like fire. So yeah, so this is the Tokyo palette. So this the theme was glam around the world, glam all over the world, and leave a trail of glitter wherever you go, because we're GlitzGlambox, we love glitter. So yeah, so you get one of the 3 palettes in the box, and you also get the lashes. I'm wearing the Style Chic, and you also get the eyeliner, and you get glitter, which I'm wearing here also, if you can see. So yeah, so it's only $15 a month, and you want to just make sure you subscribe soon. We do have limited quantities left, but it's probably going to sell out, just like February sold out. And it's funny because we doubled our order for this month, which is why I wasn't posting spoilers, because I was waiting for all the extra inventory to come in. And I was like, where are the spoilers? Where are the spoilers? It's like, trust me, I'm the queen of spoilers. I love giving you guys spoilers. I love it. But if I don't have the product in hand, I can't give out spoilers. So anyway, so we doubled our order, and it's probably not going to be enough because we have so many subscribers. So I would say if you guys want to prepay, you could prepay for 3 months or 6 months. You definitely will have a better chance of getting the box, because what happens is some people's payments don't go through, and then it's like, you know, if your payment doesn't go through and you take a while to update it and the box sells out in the meantime, you know, unfortunately, we're gonna have to send you the next month's box. So you want to make sure that you either prepay or make sure your card is up to date, so you don't like miss out on a box. You don't want to miss out on a box. These are good. This is good. You got a full-size palette, 14 pans. It's only $15, and you get the other items. Everything's full size. And next month, should I give a spoiler for next month, for April? I'm debating. I don't know. We already have April already planned out. Everything's here, ready to go. But yeah, so I'm not gonna give a spoiler just yet on April, but it is gonna be good. It's gonna be good. April's like my favorite month yet. I thought Valentine's Day was my favorite month, but it was hectic because we sold out of boxes and everyone was really upset. So I think April probably is gonna be my new favorite month. A new favorite month. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, all of our new subscribers. Hi. Thank you to everyone who's posting unboxings of the GlitzGlambox. I'm so excited. I remember when I was the only person posting videos on the box, and I was like, I'm the only one posting unboxings, and we have subscribers, but they just don't post unboxings. So I love every unboxing. I watch every single one of them. I try to leave a comment on every single one. I add them to our GlitzGlambox unboxings playlist, so you guys can get more views. I give shout outs on Instagram if you guys tag us, so make sure to tag us in your pictures and your videos, or you can send us the link. Send me the link. You can email it, or you can DM it on Instagram, or some people Facebook message it to me, so that I can add it to our playlist so you get more views, and a different audience. Guys, till the next time, bye.